True Jamaican Vibes, no people, you don't know, say I'm Fire Reid. Welcome to my channel. It's an everyday thing I'm doing in life. It's all about Jamaica and what I do. So thanks for watching my channel, True Jamaican Vibes. Like, share and subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell for more videos. So right now, I go for my pumpkin farm in the morning. So I check my pumpkin them and spray them. So we're going to use some 2020 and some pesticide to get rid of the worm them, because when you spray them, you're not gonna have any pumpkin. So some sweet sap on the tree, I say I get a sweet sap before I go up on the farm. Yes, my people, so this is what we call the Jamaican sweet sap, you know. You see it? Bird that feed pan already, so it's really healthy for us. So now I'm going to really eat it this morning. Break it, I couldn't see what I go on now too. Organic. Alright. Yes, my people, so walk with me to my farm and enjoy the tour. Yes, my people, so I have to Jamaica and Guinea in the morning. All about health and wealth. Organic. So yes, my people, welcome to my farm, you know, pumpkin farm. You know, safety is first. Always remember your safety gears, because chemical is very dangerous to our health. So remember your gloves and also your mask, okay? So thanks for watching my channel. Awesome. Awesome. Yes, my people, so we have some well grow and we have some blossom booster. So yes, my people, so I'm gonna spray the pumpkin because we need to blossom them for hold on for the pumpkin them, so I'm gonna spray them so we can get a better growth of the pumpkin. And also pumpkin, you know that pumpkin have a lot of health benefit and stuff. So pumpkin is good for high blood pressure, cholesterol and it's full of nutrients. And it's also good for the man them, it's good for the manhood, okay? I remember the pumpkin seed. Pumpkin seed is very good for us. So I'm gonna show you all how you can get a lot of bearings from your pumpkin. So right here, you see it running in this direction, alright? Running straight. So if you want to get more bearing out of your pumpkin, you're gonna roll it. Just roll it around. Just roll it around. So when you roll it around, you're gonna spread more wider and give us some better bearing of pumpkin. Tell you all about a little bit about pollination and stuff work. So I'm looking for a male pumpkin. A male. So you have the male and the female. See right here? You have a male one right here. So you're gonna break off all these from around it. This is a male. So I'm gonna take it and put it in a female, so you're gonna pollinate it and you can get a pumpkin from it. So this one right here is a female. Take a closer look, my people. Just take it and rub it inside of the middle. So you're gonna leave some of the pollen on it. So when you finish, you're gonna lock it up. So yes, my people. So I'm gonna show you some bearings of the pumpkin. So look at the size of the pumpkin. So this pumpkin, you know, you have different types of pumpkin. So this one is a curry pumpkin. Oh, yeah. Look at it, my people. So you can use the 2020 blossom booster, and also you can use some well grow different. Look at the size. Look at this one right here. So long. So this is a different pumpkin. I don't really know this one name, but it's a different one. So take a tour with me through my pumpkin farm. Yeah, so this is one of the different. So it's a one different type, different curry pumpkin. So it's a different one. Look at this one right here. As you can see, it have a different texture. So if you want a different variety of pumpkins, you need to plant the seed them green. If you want a different variety of pumpkin, you can plant the seed them green, so you get many different types of pumpkin. But if you want one set of pumpkin, you have to use some dry seed, okay? Just enjoy the farmer people, True Jamaican Vibes. So this set of pumpkin, all the spray it gets is just some well grow. This set only get some well grow and some blossom booster. This set is more organic. Yes, my people. So, you know, it's early morning in Jamaica right now. Early morning, I'm up on the farm. Most of the time, I do my work in early morning. I really work in the sun. Just touch the farm in the early morning so you can accomplish a lot of stuff in the early morning. So, my people, just get out and plant something in the backyard and see how it grows. It's a beauty. So yes, my people, right here we have some garden bean. So this is what we call the garden bean. So this is a garden bean. It don't really grow too tall, so it just grow short and bare just like that. It don't really run. So this is a garden bean. Some of the time we have some challenges and stuff because of animal, lot of goats and cow destroy your farm. Some of the time it's kind of very stressing, very stressing. Work hard and you know say animal destroy it and stuff. So sometimes you win and sometimes we win, sometimes we lose. But we still not give up seeing we up on the farm, seeing we because when I grew up, I love farming. From about the 15-year-old, so I do some farming and enjoy it. So you don't know, give thumbs up to my mother same way. Him carry me through them hills and valley about farming. It send me to school and everything, you know. So I not give up on the farming. So I plant a lot of pumpkin. So just take a full view. So this is the second set. So further on I show you the younger sets. Tell about the country farming, nothing cannot be the country farming. So when you come a country you find a lot of different types of fruits and stuff. You know we have some breadfruit right here. Yes, my people, so this is the next set of the pumpkin. Sometimes we have some challenges with water and stuff due to rain, so we always get some ponds and stuff and get some waters and leave it, because sometimes the rain kind of set back some of my time, so we always have the water so we can water them and stuff. This one I kind of look a bit of bushy and stuff, but pumpkin can grow under any condition, any condition. So this is a different set of pumpkin. This one not really a beer yet. So just take a look at the farmer people. A lot of pumpkins. And this set, I carry it straight organic. I really use no chemical on this one. Straight organic. Because you know, going organic is healthy for us. And people, remember to check out the health benefits for pumpkin. Okay? So thank you for watching my channel, True Jamaican Vibes. Fire Reid. Like, share and subscribe to my channel. And hit the notification bell for more videos. And leave a comment in the description below, alright? Thanks for watching. True Jamaican Vibes.